Greetings to you all, students. I hope you all are fine in your homes. Last class we were studying about chapter 3. We have successfully completed in first term chapter 1, 2 and 3. And this class we are going to study about chapter 4. The heading is More in MS Excel 2007 Part 1 Section 10. Once again, I would like to welcome you all for this class. Once again, I repeat, this class we are going to study chapter 4 More in MS Excel 2007. Shall we have a quick recap what we have studied in the previous class? In chapter 3, we studied about conditional formatting, inserting cells, rows or columns in a worksheet, inserting pictures and inserting shapes, and inserting smart art, formatting smart art, how to change the shapes in smart art. These are the things we have discussed in the previous class in chapter 3. Now let's start listening to today's class. I want all the students to pay attention while we discuss the points in this class. Okay, topic to be discussed in this class is about introduction, fill series, calculations in MS Excel, using math and string functions, using statistical functions, using text functions. These are the 6 points that we are going to discuss in this class. First, we are going to discuss about introduction part in MS Excel 2007. MS Excel is a spreadsheet package which can perform several functions on text and numerical seamlessly. It is a proficient software that combines formatting features with calculating features. It can also perform several advanced functions like filtering, sorting of data and auditing, etc. I repeat, it can also perform several advanced functions like filtering, sorting of data and auditing, etc. So these are the main 3 things that we study in MS Excel 2007. First we study is fill series. It is one of the most important feature in is fill. When a familiar group of items have to be added to worksheet, only one of them needs to be typed and the rest can be generated automatically. For example, when the months of the year has to be typed, it is enough to the type first month Jan, Jan, and the rest can be generated without having to type any more. To do this, type Jan in the first cell, then click on the small blank square which is found in the lower right corner of the active cell and drag. Then the months will be automatically filled. Or right click on the small black square, a pop-up menu appears from which appropriate option can be chosen. Choosing the option fill months will fill the selected cells.